It was not a surprise, only the timing, no? Yung timing lang yung surprise. Pero hindi naman po nagulat yung mga supporters. But of course, the reaction is that of course, we're very pleased. Pero also, I think ang naiiba ngayon is merong inspiration. I think very inspired yung mga supporters po ni Madam Vice President.
Pero syempre, nandyan yung question about timing, attorney. Kasi alam natin na may mga nakaamba na impeachment case laban kay Vice President and merong ibang mga nagsasabi na baka mamaya strategic move ito to lessen the impact of the impeachment cases.
Kahit ano naman pong teorya pwede nilang gawin, ano? Para sa akin, this is only a testament to the fact that si VP Sara is not her father. We have heard that phrase many times po, ano? She's not her father. If you'll notice, dati late po si Pangulong Duterte. Ito naman, maaga, no? There are many differences sa kanila. I doubt that it is mainly about just the impeachments. Pero hindi naman po siguro lingid sa kaalaman ng marami. That's probably a little part of it. Pero I really think it is a calling. She started with a biblical passage and I think she meant it. I also think that it was a burden for her. It was a burden for her to accept the responsibility. Hindi po ako naka-detect ng pambobola doon o parang sino-showbiz niya tayo. I think it was a burden that she was finally willing to accept.